In this video, we're going to answer a simple but very important question. What is an HTML tag? An HTML tag is a keyword wrapped in angle brackets. It usually looks like this: a tag name, some content, and then a closing tag. For example, you might see something like a paragraph tag with text inside. The opening tag starts the element, the closing tag ends it, and the content is everything in between. Some tags don't need a closing tag. These are called self-closing tags. A common example is the image tag, which includes attributes like the image source and a description. Now, let's look at some common HTML tags you must know. First, structure tags. These define the layout of your entire web page. The HTML tag is the root of the page. The head contains metadata like the title or CSS, and the body contains all the visible content. Next, text tags. Headings go from H1 to H6, where H1 is the most important. The paragraph tag is used for regular text. You can also use tags like bold and italic for simple styling. Now, links. The anchor tag allows you to connect one page to another. It uses an attribute called ref to specify the destination. For images, we use the image tag. It includes a source attribute for the file location and an alt attribute to describe the image. This description is important for accessibility. Let's talk about lists. An unordered list is used for bullet points, while an ordered list is numbered. Each item in the list is wrapped in a list item tag. For layout, we use container tags like div and span. Div is a block-level container, while span is inline. These help organize your content on the page. If you want to collect user input, you use form tags. Inside a form, you can have input fields and buttons for submission. Now, what about attributes? Tags often include attributes to provide extra information. For example, a class attribute can be used for styling with CSS or interaction with JavaScript. Let's quickly summarize. HTML tags define the structure of a web page. Most tags have an opening and a closing tag. Some are self-closing. Tags can include attributes. And everything you see on a web page is built using HTML tags.